Steam throws error code 109 blocking you from the store and community. Let's fix it fast. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Steam's error code 109 is a common issue that prevents the store or community pages from loading. While it looks like a server outage, it's usually caused by DNS problems, firewall restrictions, or cached data. In this video, we will show you the quick steps to refresh your connection, clear cache, and restore Steam access. Method 1. Check Steam server status. Steam error 109 happens when your client fails to communicate with Steam servers. So visit Steam status page. Look for outages or maintenance notices. If servers are down, you will need to wait until they are restored. Method 2. Disable VPN or firewall temporarily. VPNs or strict firewalls can block communication between Steam servers. So if you are using a VPN, disable it and check if that helps. Firewall and your antivirus program can also interfere with Steam and create problems like this. So you can temporarily disable firewall and antivirus. Since it is always recommended not to disable firewall and antivirus, as your system is vulnerable to malicious threats without them, make sure to enable them soon after. Type Windows Defender Firewall in the Windows search box and select the top option. Click on Turn Windows Defender Firewall on or off. Ensure you disable Windows Defender Firewall for both private and public network settings. Save the changes by clicking on OK. In case you use Windows Security, type Windows Security in the search menu and select the first option. Select Virus and Threat Protection. Click on Manage Settings from the Virus and Threat Protection settings. From the next window, turn off the toggle for real-time protection. From the next UAC prompt, select Yes. If you have any other third-party antivirus software, make sure to turn it off too. Method 3. Disable proxy servers. Proxy settings can block Steam from reaching its servers. Here is how to disable proxy servers. Type Internet option in the Windows search bar and open it. Go to the Connections tab, then click LAN settings. Uncheck Use proxy server for your LAN. Click OK to save changes. Restart Steam and test connectivity. Method 4. Run the network troubleshooters. When you are getting connectivity issues on Steam, run Windows Internet Connection Troubleshooter. Windows Inbuilt Internet Troubleshooter will fix the issue. To run the troubleshooter, follow these steps. Press Windows plus I keys to open settings. Select Troubleshoot under System. Next, select Other Troubleshooters. Click on the Run button next to Network and Internet option. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. Now open Steam and check if this could fix the problem. If not, then update network drivers. Method 5. Update network drivers. Outdated drivers can cause connectivity issues. Steps. Open Device Manager via Windows Search. Expand network adapters. Right-click your adapter, then select Update Driver. Select Search automatically for drivers. Follow on-screen instructions to update. Method 6. Flush DNS and reset winsock. Type command prompt in the start menu and right-click on the command prompt option. Choose the Run as Administrator option. Now copy and paste the following lines of commands in the elevated command prompt window. Hit enter after each command. ipconfig/flushdns, ipconfig/release, ipconfig/renew, netsh int IP reset, netsh winsock reset. Once you finish running all the commands, exit command prompt and relaunch Steam. Try to download a file. If the problem persists, change DNS. Method 7. Change DNS. If flushing the DNS could not boost the Steam download speed, change the DNS settings. Here is how to do it. Press Win plus R to launch the Run utility. Copy and paste ncpa.cpl command in the Run command box, then press Enter. Right-click on the network services you use and expand its properties. Click to open Internet Protocol version 4 and open its properties. From Use the following DNS server address section and set the preferred DNS server address to 8.8.8.8. Next, set the alternate DNS server address to 8.8.4.4. Click on OK to save the changes. Reopen Steam and check if the issue is fixed. Steam's error code 109 may look like a major outage, but it's usually solved with straightforward fixes, flushing DNS, adjusting firewall settings, or clearing cache. Once resolved, you will be back to the browsing the store and connecting with the community without interruptions. If this guide helped you fix error 109, hit like, subscribe for more proven gaming fixes, and share your own Steam troubleshooting stories in the comments, because chances are someone else is facing the same challenge. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.